How to fix the SHEIN application login problems. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to fix the SHEIN account's login problems, here is what should be done. First and foremost, launch your SHEIN application. After that, try to log in. There are different ways by which you can log in. The very first one would be providing your email address and then the password or phone number. Second is continuing with your Google account, and third is continuing with the Facebook account. One of the convenient way is to choose your Google account to sign in, as it will just take 2 minutes or less than that. However, if you have connected to Facebook account, you can log in with that process as well. But if you have the email address, then you might have to reset the password to get a new password. Moving on with the next step, head over to your settings and go to Network and Internet. From here, select on VPN and make sure to disable if any VPN or proxies are enabled. However, if your account is locked out, you'll have to contact the SHEIN Support for the further assistance to unlock your account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.